Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany. I'm Michelle, and today we are doing a tutorial on how to make buttercream roses. Let's get started.
To make buttercream flowers, you need a flower nail. I didn't have one, so I made one by taping a lollipop stick onto a piece of cardboard. I also cut a bunch of small parchment paper squares. You also need a petal tip. Here are a few examples, and they are teardrop shaped. You stick a piece of parchment paper onto your flower nail, then pipe a dollop in the middle. This just anchors the flower and keeps it from being too light and easy to knock over. Then I pipe a cone onto the middle. You do this by pointing the small end of the petal tip up and angling it slightly towards the center, and turn the nail all the way around. Then pipe petals with the small end up and arching the piping. Start the next petal overlapping the first. Keep piping petals around the middle cone, adjusting the piping bag as needed. The petals can be different lengths. As I go farther out, I sometimes angle the petals more toward the outside to flare out. Just keep piping petals until you're happy with how big it is. I'm pretty happy with this rose. Then remove the piece of parchment paper and set it aside to set up. You can also freeze them to make them easier to work with. Now let's see a smaller rose bud. You start out the same way with a dollop to anchor it, pipe a cone, and add petals. But this time keep them all in toward the center and stop after a few rounds. These are just as beautiful as the bigger ones and can fill in empty spaces really well. I'll show a couple more a bit faster. You can make all sizes, and don't worry about the little stray pieces of buttercream. That's no big deal. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you and will help you make the best buttercream roses for your project. Thanks for watching. For more cakes and tutorials, visit our website at americanbakeringermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.